Last over.
Over. To the vehicle.
Bye bye.
Depido.
Dodo.
Hit.
Oh no. Shit.
Oh, just a miss. Ouch.
Hey bro, where you are for long day?
I have superpower.
Hey, play carefully. Don't become out. Hey, it's going to start. Come.
Hey, run fastly man, run fastly.
Hey, run
go,
fast.
go.
Run fast.
Hey, bloody sugar, who are
Move
you?
fast.
You are all dead in my hands.
Go fast.
Get lost, crazy girl.
Hey, we should escape man, go.
Oh my god, I think I'll be buried in this vessel itself. I am not going to leave you alive, you
Don't
fellows!
look back. Run, guys. Run.
Fast. We have to take the seat in first row. Hey,
You move.
Hey.
Move. Super.
Undertaker is possibly dream of. I can assure you guys that this is not the way Lesnar or Paul Heyman thought this match was going to start out. You're stumbling back to his feet. Oh, and he planted him.
Oh,
Shit.
It went off in correct scene.
Shit.
Oh no, Raja brother didn't listen us while we talked about cut the leaf. That stupid coconut tree.
I will count 10. Then current will come. Okay. 1, 2, 3,
Hey, come on.
5,
Come on.
7,
Oh, I am very disappointed.
9. What, dude?
Dude, why can't we do something for that coconut tree? Hey, Mridu, what are you looking at, man? Come here.
Hey, nothing. I just checked whether he counted 10 or not. He is not counting after 9.
He will count 10 after current comes. You come.
Hey, in my house there is something like water.
What? That thing
if
like
we
water?
pour that thing on the tree, the whole tree will get damaged. My mom said like that. Shall we try that thing?
Maybe that will be acid.
Maybe acid. So what?
If we pour that thing in this coconut tree, we will be very happy,
Yeah,
no?
super idea. Yes, brother, it's a good idea. Next week there is a huge match than this.
No, dude. What if grandma see that?
I will come with you.
Then okay, come fast.
I am going to stay here.
What is your plan?
Maybe current will come soon.
Nothing will happen like that. Just come with me.
Please, dude.
Then we won't talk with you.
Come fast.
If any problem occurs, I will run for sure.
He sounds like a afraid guy.
Let's go, take and come. Grandma's vision is not good, so there will be no problem.
You go, man. Everything is my idea.
Grandma didn't saw, so we escaped.
It's all my idea.
We should pour it correctly on that coconut tree.
That house girls are very dangerous, man.
Don't remind me of that.
Give it to me, I will pour it.
You go, man. Look for someone is coming or not.
No one is here. Do it fast.
Don't be afraid, come on.
Hey, what is
Oh,
coming
no.
from the garbage, man?
Why, dude? Smoke is coming like this?
I don't know anything. Bro, we should run away from here.
Definitely we should run.
We can't spare these 3 guys.
Who did like that? Tell me.
Hey, come on, let's hit them.
Hey, come.
Hey.
Hey, what are you doing, guys? Leave him, leave him. If I caught you, I will kill you. Don't come home today. You are dead today.
Don't look back.
Run fastly, man. Don't look back.
Hey, what about you? Why don't you run?
Hey, why didn't you run? Hey, stop! Hey, Vasu, stop there. I am also coming. Hey, wait. Oh
my
no,
God,
I am getting headache. Oh no, I am also in so much pain.
My full body got hurt. It's not a problem for
I
me.
don't know, dude. Why are we suffering in this small age itself?
Feels like we got beaten by Bruce Lee. They beaten a lot.
That Andy saw us. That is the problem.
No man. Because of her we are safe.
If any problem will happen further, what can we do?
Hey, we will take revenge on that guys.
This time we missed a time. Next time we should not leave them.
Oh, this pain is uncontrollable.
Dude, it's already late, dude. Come on, let's go to our house.
God.
Let's hide this blood and wounds and
If
home.
grandma sees it, it will be a very big problem. Come
yes.
quickly, dude.
Yeah, coming. Oh my God.
I can't walk, man.
They hit us very
Yes,
badly.
dude, you're right.
Hey, we should take revenge on them. Okay, you leave now. He will get the balance from home.
You come. I'm starving alone.
Hey, don't touch me. There is so much pain there.
Oh my God, when am I going to find solutions for my problem? Yes, come, my son. I am going to give you a good day today. You know what time it is? Where did you go
I
to
went
play?
for playing.
What happened? Oh my God, come sit here first. Oh, my grandson has fallen and broken his leg. Oh God, how many times I have asked you to be careful while playing? Look how much you are hurt. Look, both your legs have wounds. Sit here. Grandma will bring the medicines now.
It's not necessary,
What?
Grandma.
It's
Leave
not
it.
pain.
I don't feel
Oh
any
my God,
pain.
You should take care of him. When will he come to his senses? You don't even have your father and mother. When I am gone, who will take care of you? You don't have anybody, my son. My grandson has to suffer so much. Oh my God. You don't worry, it will be okay.
Hereafter, I listen to whatever you say, Grandma. Please don't cry, Grandma.
Mm.
Rather than sitting and eating all the snacks here, let us discuss what we came for.
This is the only sauce that works well.
You're only eating the snacks up. Nothing else is happening.
I don't want the mixture.
Hey, there are so many guys out there in home.
He cannot become a panchayat
yes.
minister. Somehow he wants to become a minister. Okay, bro, I am leaving. Let's see tomorrow.
We have to do next. Otherwise, it's going to
Okay, bro, be careful. We shouldn't spare them.
We won't leave them. It's paining.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye, bro.
I will take care of everything.
Hey, just
Don't
listen.
worry.
I'm going to tell you something. This time, somehow you get me to that level. You know the status of my wife, right? I have to somehow surpass her level. And if I have to get there, then I have to become
Mom,
the panchayat
I'm
president.
feeling hungry.
Saw him coming. It's time for him to eat. Now back to business. If you think this can happen,
I am starving, Mom. Mom,
Your son is
where are
calling.
you?
Go and check.
This boy is too mischievous.
If there is anything, I can eat it.
today he is behaving a little bit absurd. Can't even control his hunger. Okay, just leave that alone. Previously, we just had to do good things to become a good leader. Now that's not the case. We have to spend a lot. But somehow we'll
Nothing
win the
left.
election. But what will we do for the money?
Hey, don't eat all the peanuts, man.
Where did Mom
is
want
not-
peanut?
I'll give you one tight rap. Don't just sit and irritate me, I'm telling you. I don't think he's going to get up from here without emptying everything. Haven't you eaten mixture before?
Look here. You don't. have
This
to
is
worry
only
about
left.
anything. It will happen casually.
But whatever it is, I have to win, and that is the baseline. Hope you understood what I said. Now listen here, last week I was cleaning up the entire panchayat, right?
Yes.
After that, everybody here had a sort of respect for
Oh,
me.
is it?
Hey, seriously, man.
Do you know that opposite party guy, Santosh? He is not doing any good things, but he had lot of money. That's why these peoples are going behind him. Though he is a very big financier, he will give the money whoever asks him. without disturbing anyone. Anyhow, he get back his money.
To make it clear, money and power.
Ah, yes. Last time we lost for 88 votes only.
Yeah, it was a marginal loss.
We have to change it. So we have to do something this time. So we can definitely win.
Actually, my only ambition is that I want to have a larger profile than my wife. I'll be really very happy if that happens. And another thing is, I want to make proper drinking water arrangement in this place.
There is no drinking water at home.
It's not over. Just sit down. Okay. You have a very good future, dude. People will take care of the rest. But we can easily handle that. You leave it.
I want to love this entire village people the way I'm loving my family. That is my final desire.
I will take
Very
care of
good.
it.
Hey, what are you staring at here? Just leave.
Brother, how much is this?
50 paisa.
I will take 2 from this.
Is he taking 2 or 4? I don't know. Oh,
Take
in this stage you are picking her up. Oh no. Why is he going behind her?
I have to make her friend.
Sister,
Valsala? What is it, Valsala?
have you seen this? Sister, leave the coconut tree. If it is applied in our children's body, our lives will become meaningless. At this age, they have a lot of pranks to play. We didn't even think about it. We just need to be a little more careful, sister.
Oh my god. This boy is creating so much problems. Ritu, come here. Come here.
No, mother.
You come here.
No, sister.
How many
Please,
times
sister.
should I tell you?
Leave him, leave him,
Understand
leave him, sister.
anything?
If I know you behave like this, I would not have told you
What I
this.
have to do?
He will understand, sister.
No, he won't understand anything I say. Every time he is creating all these problems.
Okay, leave it, son. Mom is calling only for your good.
Sorry, Andy. I mistakenly did. I won't repeat anything.
See, sister, that's all. He's a good boy. He will listen what we say. I gave them everything what they really deserve, okay?
Why did you hit them, Andy?
Hey, shut
Leave,
your mouth.
sister.
Otherwise,
Please
you will
leave.
get from me. Where did you learn all
That's
this?
how children are, sister.
I'm really done with him. I'm going to go away from here. Just now they came and asked to vacate this house. Every day it is problems. I'm gonna go from here.
I'm not going to ask what is the problems and all. Whatever happens, good things will happen to you. Bye, sister.
What is wrong with you? How much I explained to you, don't you understand anything? Why do you bother me? Nobody should ever suffer like me. Okay, brother, we are leaving.
Keep this also inside the vehicle. Is there anything else?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. then.
Hey, come.
Okay, brother, I'm
You
leaving.
come here.
Are
Take
you
him.
ready?
Yeah, we are leaving.
What
Careful.
about us at school and all?
Not yet. Should see after reaching the.
Don't worry, everything will be
Everything I
fine.
should arrange. Already we are late, so we should not delay anymore. Okay, we will see later.
Soon,
me
man.
Don't shout, bro.
What is
We
it?
reached here.
Hey, wait, I'm
Look
coming
who
now.
has come. Your friends
Mridu.
are here.
There is some more luggage inside. Please go and get that also.
New place, new people.
Dude, you are leaving us now?
Yes, bro. We are leaving.
You won't have any problem there. Don't worry.
No, dude. I'm just worried about that we couldn't take revenge on them.
Don't worry.
You guys don't have to do anything. After I came back, we can take revenge together.
Okay, bro. We are not going to cause any problem from now.
Okay, dear. Always be good boys.
okay,
Don't fight
Andy.
with anyone.
Hmm.
Okay?
Hmm.
Okay, bye. Mwah. Okay?
Oh God.
Okay, dude. Don't worry. Mom told me that she's going to send me in karate class. I will be back with the red belt soon.
Mridu? Mridu, come.
Bye, dude.
Okay,
bye.
go safe.
He is not feeling worried of leaving us here, no, bro.
His mind is full of beating them. We cannot blame him. Come, bro.
What is this, a waste paper mart?
Oh God, I don't know when it will end.
What is this? Nothing is here in this house.
Hey, I am running tea shop and surviving. It will be like that only. It's a big thing. This much is here.
Oh, you left your schooling also.
Then what should I do? I am not good at studying. I don't have money also. Very difficult for me to study in the city from right now.
Why can't you stop this tea business, bro? What you are earning in this?
My father's big wish is to set up a shop on the side of the road. After that, he is going to live his whole life like this. You cannot leave work until he gets up and walk. That's not all, brother. He is the one who is giving tea to the police checkpost. They like my father very much. That's how police officer should be.
Keep it.
Huh?
First hold this.
Hey,
Just buy whatever you want for this, man. And take care of father's medical
I don't want
expenses.
that.
Keep it, man. I'm saying no, just keep it.
why are you doing this?
Look at me first. Just go and buy everything first.
No, it's time to sell tea. I will buy that later.
Hey, don't worry about tea, man. As mom and dad are busy at home, I'm the one who is taking care of this.
I know you will cook well.
Oh, make it fast. Go and come before dad wakes up.
No, bro.
Hey, go, man. Go. The tea will be ready here before you come.
Really want to go?
Go. Hey, go, man.
Yeah, going.
He hasn't come. Oh God, please help me. Everything should go well. Still you're here only?
I am leaving.
This is okay only for lying down. Where did that fucker gone?
If he comes, it will be good.
I think he will come by now.
Dude, I forgot to ask you something.
First you get ready, man.
I am ready, man. Hold this first.
Huh.
Oh God. Are you talking to any girl without telling me?
I will tell you later, man.
Is that love?
Not like that.
If you need anything, just tell me. Don't worry, tell me. There is no any other problem, right? Just ask me. As the days goes by, some problem will arise.
Huh.
Don't be afraid.
Okay, go, man.
Dad, Satya will be here. I'm going to work. My phone is
Go
there.
fast, dude. Go. Hurry up.
Where did I kept?
See,
yeah,
here it is. Okay, go. Father is not
okay.
feeling well.
Wait,
go
I'm
soon,
going.
man. Go.
Wait a
Just
bit.
go. What are you looking
Satya?
at? Hey, come on. Hey, don't shout, man. Father is sleeping inside now.
Okay, sorry, dude.
Hey, I'm still here, man.
You haven't left yet?
Oh, so both of you planned and came. You guys didn't came to help me.
Hey, I said I will give you money, man.
Hey,
so only
what,
he came
man?
here. You have to buy a lot of things. No, that's
Hey,
what I'm
whoa,
trying to
whoa,
say.
I'm happy you are helping me. Hey, leave him. I'm going.
Okay.
Okay,
Carry on.
Hey, take care of my dad. Whom should I tell that? Only God should know.
Oh, you're trying to spoil everything. Just get inside first.
Hey, come here. Come,
Yeah,
come.
Coming.
Hey, what is this? An air machine? I think he is gone.
Go, man.
But the stomach is moving well.
Huh.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
let's go. I don't like to do this, but I should earn some money, no? What can we do? I'm in that situation to earn money.
Set. Actually, you're a genius, bro. Another level.
If we go by checkpost,
yes,
it will be
yes.
easy. Hey, and then old techniques are not useful nowadays. That's why When I was thinking in low level, I got this idea, dude.
You are already low level, bro.
Yeah, after joining
Hey,
with you only.
how can we take this thing out from this?
I have separate idea for that. Just keep quiet for some time. What is this? This is not working well.
Really quality stuff. Unbelievable.
Hey, keep it safely, dude. What you understand? We are working very hard for this.
Good stuff, bro.
If it got hit, we will go to a next level. Careful, keep it careful, man. Okay, don't waste time and pour the tea inside. Hey, careful, man. You don't have brain, but you are a good worker. You are a good friend, dude.
It's hot.
Hey, careful.
The people and the police are very lucky.
Huh.
They can drink ganja tea.
Oh.
What if this ganja evaporate with the heat?
Keep it inside.
Oh, it's very hot. Oh. Yes.
This summer is so cool. Huh? Why are you standing there waiting for your husband who's gone for work?
Why so late?
It's got late, little bit late.
I will take care of this.
Huh?
You don't have to worry about anything.
Hey, take this.
Okay. Let's make it fast.
Hey, I will take this, man.
Hey, you take tea and go, man. We have lot of works to do here, dude. We have to serve tea for your dad now.
Hey, this is unnecessary work.
You don't
worry,
have to
man.
worry. He will
I
take
will
care
take
of
care
everything.
of
Okay, then I am leaving.
Yeah, okay, carry on.
Emu, why they are pushing me to
fast.
go
Everyone
for
is
work?
waiting for you.
Everyone
Go.
will be waiting for you, go. You have a small surprise.
For what?
Dude,
Ah.
tie this in your head.
What are you doing?
Oh, it's very hard to tie.
Do you think I am a dead body?
Don't tie it tightly, dude.
No. Nothing will happen. Don't worry.
TT. Even my father used to tie it like this when I was
Then what
little.
happened?
You guys did same to me.
Oh, good.
TT.
God, oh God, nothing should happen.
Hey, stop. Come on. Stop right there. Come outside.
Sir, tea, sir.
Thanks.
Sir.
Go and tell all that.
Sir,
to
see you
the
tomorrow.
Take your documents
He
also.
got such a push, man. Super. He did it.
Many success. Dude, he's coming. Hey, dude.
Hey guys, be careful.
come on, dude, come on.
Move. Brake is not working. Why you guys shouting?
How's the business?
Dude, you have a surprise, man.
Hey. I am taking this, okay?
Hey, hand will burn. Hey, be careful.
Hereafter, use this one.
Hey, there is some tea left inside.
I will drink it on the way. Don't worry.
How was your business, man?
It's okay. It's not that much
Everything is
business.
over now.
Yeah.
We don't know who we are now, so everything is
Wait.
done
I
now.
will help you.
Hey, keep it carefully.
Dude, from tomorrow you can use this stick and dude.
I can't forget all the help you given me.
I'm
You
your
are the
bro.
best.
Hey, I am also joining with you.
Hey, you! Why are you doing like monkey? Okay, I'm leaving. Okay, I'm going to my
Hello?
home. Satya, I'm leaving.
Hello. Hey, tell me what is the matter?
Dude, our Mirdu is coming here.
What are you saying, bro?
From now on, we all have the
See you
same
later.
Been long years since we see him.
Yes, dude. Okay, are you coming?
Yeah, I will come, dude. Dude, my old friend Mridu, no? He is coming back soon.
Huh? It is going to be a huge fun.
Then
come
what
on, let's
else?
go.
My friend is coming now. Get in. What are you doing?
You don't have to worry about it. I will drive carefully. You get in.
Grandma has gone far away. No one can call you. If someone had been with me, I would told my Sharo grandma.
What are you doing? Why are you talking to my photo?
Hey, grandma, where did you gone long time? How many times are calling you grandma? Nowadays you are roaming very too much.
Look, you don't have to talk about all that. You live your life, I will live mine.
It's okay, but you have to inform me.
Ah?
I only saw you 2 days this week. Where did you gone, grandma?
Look, I am still healthy because I walk like this.
That's why I'm not saying anything.
Even if you say I won't listen.
What is that, grandma? So much dust in your body?
Those kids were playing football. I was just watching them and standing. All this is their mischief. One thing, in this afternoon, where are you going dressed like this?
You know our Mridu? He's coming today.
Who, that Prakash son?
Yes.
Did he finish his studies?
No. I will tell you later everything.
No need. I don't want all these things. Okay. Give one then. Be happy, my son. Be careful, dear. I don't know what problem he is going to create today. Oh, God, take care of my grandson. Mridu, get up, dear. We have reached.
My God. Mom, you just take your bag alone. Come on, do not lift your head too high. She has a lot of back pain, that's why. Look at the price and say first, bro. How much?
3,630. Thank you. Close the door properly.
Okay. Hey, bro.
dude. How are you, dude?
Look,
How are you,
who has
da?
come.
Mom,
What kind of overacting is he
All
doing?
good at your end, dear.
How tall has he
You have
grown?
also grown. Are you a
go
small
in.
kid now?
Go.
Do come inside, dear.
okay, Mom.
Hey, bro. You grew a beard and you become a big man. How are you, bro? Okay, everything is there. Where is Satyan? Hey, man.
Hey, darling.
Hey. Okay, wait a minute. I'll take the luggage.
Hey, leave it, dude. I will take care of it.
Hey, careful, man.
What is this so heavy,
Let him
dude?
take that. Don't worry.
Okay.
Did you take it?
Okay.
Is there anything left? We are gonna have so much fun. Oh, you are happy, right?
This bag is too heavy, man.
So much weight, dude. Hey, dude. Where are you? Come fast.
I'm coming.
Why are you taking so much of
Mom,
time?
did you take my bag?
Whoever you buggers are, there
Why
is
is he shouting in
nobody
the
who
morning,
can
man?
actually disturb me. There is no one who is even born today.
Hey, already late. What are you doing,
This
dude?
man is like this always. Keep on blabbering something. You don't go fight with him.
A single hair of my head.
Nothing to worry, Mom. Don't worry.
Did you all eat?
Yes, Mom. We had.
We will eat some other day, man. For sure, we have to eat.
Why are
We
you
will come.
talking there? You only sit and talk there. You only have the guts
He's
for that.
talking
I
another
will
nonsense,
not
man.
leave you guys
I'll go and beat
alone.
him.
Leave it, man. We can deal him some other day. Come on, let's go. This drunkard is spoiling our work morning.
Same thing.
Go to your
Start the
classes
bubbling.
and study,
Why do you
bloody
care?
fellows.
We
You
should
say
deal
you
with
will
little man.
scare me
Move,
with
move,
Be
that
careful.
bloody
Come on.
of yours. Huh?
All right, see you, Mom.
Fellows.
Okay, start the vehicle.
Because you have mustache and beard doesn't mean
Why is he
that
shouting like this, man?
Making so much of noise.
You go and
Why did the
ask
bike turn off?
anybody in this place. Nobody
If
can
we
touch
give him
me
mic, he
actually.
will arrange for a meeting and
Kill you one day.
Who's going to win?
I'll see you, Mom. Go inside.
Hey, you're scared.
College has to be like this. Beautiful girls, wonderful boys. Really, it's a great college. Hi, dears. Don't tease me if it is wrong. Hey, look at here, guys. God will give everything to a bad people. At last, He will give up. But He will test good people. But He won't give up on them.
You really performed very well, man. But the entire crowd is standing there.
Umma. Come on, Chandramukhi.
I will hit you harder.
Don't hit me. I think he's going to beat me.
Hey, get out, everybody. What nonsense is happening here? Hey, come on, go to your classes. Now, why are you crowding up there?
Wow, what a wonderful day, man.
Hey, hit him. Don't leave him. Hey.
The beginning is like a wonderful dude. Here, bike repair fight is going on.
Yeah.
We'll play a new game today. Let's see. They are fighting very well, dude. Hey, give me the way. Hey, I think it's chocolate.
What are you doing?
Hey, don't
Hey,
go
no
back.
need.
Hey,
Don't
wait,
take care.
wait, wait.
Where you?
Why are they fighting so much?
Where you did me?
Hey, nobody's there to rescue him either. Hey, lift him up.
Hey.
Bro, hey, come here.
Come here.
Come fast. Lift him.
Okay.
Hey, hold him, hold him. Hey. Careful, man.
Careful.
Hey, hold it.
Hey, get him onto the vehicle.
Okay.
Hey, careful. Hey, fast.
Careful, man. Go
Hey,
fast.
go fast. Come. Hey, look here. Look here.
It's paining.
Did you see, friends? This is what happens to us on the first day of our college day. See yourself. Why you are interfering unnecessarily? If something happens, who will take care of you? Your parents will only suffer.
You
right?
guys taking me video.
Take care of him, okay? Brother, careful.
Dude,
Hey, where did you go, guys?
be silent. It's a hospital.
No problem here.
We don't know which hospitals, and your phone was also switched off. After seeing him only, we found you are here.
There's no problem, right?
No, there is a no problem now. His parents are arrived. No problem for him
Okay, where
anymore.
did he gone?
He left me sitting here. He gone somewhere.
Congrats, dude. You become very famous now.
Hey, what are you saying?
Just open the Facebook and see, man, and call me later.
Okay. It's great. Dude, 10, 100,000, 10 lakhs. I can't believe it.
Yes, dude. You become a star now. Hereafter, you won't coming with us.
Hey,
no?
shut up, dude. Have you informed Mirdu?
Hey, he is the one who told me, dude. He said there is a welcome party in college also. Ready quickly, man. We are enjoying today.
Okay, dude. I tell my grandma about this happy news. Okay, dude. Hey, one more thing. Shall I ride your bike today?
Oh, here you're asking, dude. Take
Okay,
it.
dude. Thank you.
My grandson will become a great man. Your horoscope itself says that. You are going to be a great man.
What, grandma? You looks beautiful today.
Hey, devil, shut your mouth.
I'm going. Let's have a fun in
Take
college
care of
today.
my grandson.
For standing still without participating in anything, we'll be outside from the college.
Leave me.
Come.
Hey, leave me.
Hey, come.
Please listen me. Hey.
They're coming, man.
Hey,
Run.
Let's go. Don't do that. Leave me. Hey, they are ready. Catch them. No.
No one will go home properly. Hey, stop there.
Hey, bro, he's coming back. Run.
Go fast from here. Come on. Come and see if you have the balls. He who has no fear for his life, come forward and see. Your arms or legs won't be there in your body.
Come.
Dude, take out your phone.
Okay.
Record everything.
Hit
Reach
everyone.
everyone. Now everyone come in the live. Saving a man who was dying is a big mistake, huh? Come and see, you assholes. Come and see. Come. What are you waiting there?
Everyone, come now.
Did you think that I won't hit you back if you hit me? Come and see. Come and see. Have the balls try to hit me.
That guys are putting live video on this issue. We already have bad name among the people. So go
Okay,
to
sir.
that live and support
Okay,
the
right, sir.
students, okay?
Come, man.
forward.
You come, man. He's shifted sides.
Come forward.
Hey, stop.
My hand
Yeah,
is
you go. Go. Hey, brother. These guys have misunderstood you. You made a video of someone who was going to die and that became a big hit, right? And it is because of that only they behaved with you like this. Just because it was to save somebody's life, then what can we do now? Student solidarity!
Hail!
Student solidarity! From now on, there are no more problems. Just forget everything, okay? What is the issue here? Come on, everybody, go to your classes. Go to your classes, I said.
Don't take anything serious. Sorry.
Hey, keep it yourself, sorry.
Are you guys not enough? Leave this place.
Are you okay? Did you get hurt? Nothing, right?
okay now.
You're okay, right?
Hey, dude. Why are you fighting and wasting time? Steady dancing and singing like me. You can win in life. Why did he hit me?
Hey, Satya.
Yeah, coming.
Let's go, guys. Oh my god.
Hey, he's coming to tell something.
Hey, buddies, don't trust that guys, okay? They were really acting. It's better to take leave for 2 days. Please give me your mobile number. I will inform about the issue, whether it changed. No problem will arise, but it's better to be careful.
Why
Okay,
he's
boss,
telling
we'll
like
take
this?
care. Don't worry.
Okay, brother.
Hey, where did we go and hide?
What? We should hide because of this, guys, huh?
No, dude, he has a point in what he said. Dude, tomorrow is Friday. Day after tomorrow is Saturday. After that, it is Sunday, right? We have to handle them for 1 day. That's okay.
Where did we go and hide?
We have to bunk the class tomorrow. That's it. From here on, I cannot handle any more problems.
Why should we bunk tomorrow, man? What is your problem?
Nothing, bro. Let's go to the class.
Come on,
Okay,
let's go.
You stay here. We will leave.
Very good.
Why he is sitting like a fuse gun?
Keep quiet, man. Why are you shouting?
He's having some other problem, dude. Did you see his sitting style? Hey, come first.
soon, man.
Come fast. Get in.
Come
Get
on,
in,
dude.
dude.
Come on, let's go.
Dude, that girl is looking at you very long time.
She saw his performance now, that's why.
These all girls like good guy rather than bad guy. This is the psychology of girls, dude. She suddenly fell in love to that kind of
Bloody,
boys.
if you talk rubbish, I'll kill you, bastard. Start the bike.
She's talking so much.
Look him.
Yeah,
He's
One day
really
we can
handsome.
drag them.
Yeah, we will definitely drag them.
Mom, I'll be a little late to home because there's a welcome party at college. You lock the doors and sleep. You lock it and sleep, Mom. I'll come tomorrow morning. I'm cutting the call. Bye. I'm putting the phone down. Bye. Did you guys inform your parents?
We are already informed. First, tell me your problem. Tell me, what is the matter?
Why are you keeping quiet everything? Okay, what is your problem?
I don't know if it is a very big problem to share, but I wanted to share it with you guys. How can I not share it with you? You know, the matter is, the moment I left from this place, from then on it was only fighting and bullying. Lot of unwanted problems were coming into my life and life was just moving on. But whatever the problem may be, there will always be a bunch of boys here to support
That's
me.
true, dude.
The kick that I get after winning each and every fight there is tremendous, man. My story might bore you guys, but listen, you have no choice.
I don't know what this guy is doing. Hey, dude.
Huh? Who is that dude? Hey,
Get down.
come fast, man. What's up? Why so suddenly, man?
Huh? Are you fine?
I'm great.
A small problem.
What?
You know my sister, right? You know that Sumesh in BCom section?
Huh?
He's bothering her from long days. She's just 12 years old. Look at her. If it goes like this, I don't think it's good for her. She didn't tell to mom and dad. She is confident that I will take care. I don't want to break her trust.
Hey, do you think I'm a rowdy? My mother is already worried about me. Whatever it is, you don't speak loud.
I'm not speaking loud.
Alright, tell me the matter first.
Dude, your college friends is there, no? In your team. Your team, buddy. In your college, everyone respect you only, no?
Come straight to the matter.
I know no one will come in front of your way. I know that. For telling this matter to police, I can't do that. Me, my family, my sister, no one can do anything.
What kind of an idiotic brother are you? You also have grown a big mustache.
Okay, bro.
Should you leave them alone? Okay, why are you keeping her away?
She's completely trusting me only, buddy. I told her I will do anything for her. I don't know if you agree or not. That's why I told her to stand there.
Even if I want to be good, you guys won't let me to be.
Oh no. Come, let's go. Come, let's go.
I think it is not going to happen.
Shit. Let's go, man. Have we started?
Brother, he's coming.
I told you he will come.
Hello, brother.
Hi, sister.
Let's go.
Drop me off where I say.
Today we are going to study the chapter called Bonds.
Hard and rigid.
Body has 2 not 6 bonds in total, 22 bonds in skull, 6 in middle ear, 1 hyoid bond, 26 in vertebral column.
Shall I get in? Thank you so much.
60 in upper lip, 60 in lower lip.
You are hitting us in our classroom.
Bones like Johnson's couples.
This is really
Hi,
necessary,
Mom.
dude. Good morning, Mom. Hey,
What
park
is
it
it?
there. Is Mridu here?
Why are you asking for him?
Nothing, Mom. Can you just call him, please?
Hey,
Hey,
Mridu.
Mridu.
Oh, goodness.
Mom, give that cloth. I will take care of it. Hey, that Sumesh hitting issue, police has arrested them. Somehow our name is not in the list.
Is
I
it?
am wondering why our name is not in the list.
How is that just our names are only missing from the list?
I don't know.
Police caught both of them. I think they will get beat.
Alright, let's leave.
Okay, where are you going? To the police station? Dude, our name is not in the list. Then why we have to go?
You bloody bastard. When our boys are suffering inside, how are we supposed to sit like this? Answer me.
Hey, not like that, brother. Do you think police will leave them if we go? For minimum 3-4 days, they will arrest us also. Sumesh also fractured and in hospital.
Yes.
After seeing our situation, God is very merciful for us. After 3 days, my sister's engagement is there. If they caught me, I am dead. Definitely his mom and dad will take care of him. Who will take care of us if we got arrested? We don't have money or anything.
Then why are you wasting time here? I'm leaving.
Hey. There is a SA named Johnson. Whoever caught to him, he will beat to them.
Yes.
Whatever, let's go and see them.
Best.
Okay, come.
Okay, let's go by my vehicle. Come. Hey, no, I am just kidding. Come, bro.
I should come in that crap to the station, right? I'll come in my bike.
Hey, lift it. It was new when I bought this.
Where are you going?
Oh, dude,
Listen to
it's
me.
also
I'll
broken.
come back soon, Mom.
Hey, stop there. Where are you going with them?
Hey, keep it in your head, okay? Be very careful,
Don't
okay?
you want to change in your life? You won't ever
That's
change.
okay, Mom. I will never change.
Oh God, how did I get such a lazy bum in my life?
What is the use of thinking about that now?
Hey, get onto the bike, fast.
Let's tell
Hey,
mom
come
and-
fast, you
Mom,
guys.
we are leaving, Mom. Bye.
Useless.
Why are you laughing?
She's scolding you.
I think Mom is very angry. Let's go fast.
Why did you create unnecessary problem on the road?
Sir, this guy only causing trouble when I go on road. I told him to leave me alone.
And just for that, you will hit somebody who is as old as your father.
Sir, he also terribly beaten me lot. You saw when I was beating.
You don't know about this guy, sir. He is a very big scoundrel.
Oh, okay. So he is just not the culprit. So here if you are standing and talking like this, what you might have spoken on the road.
Sir, one time he told me dog. I told him it was you. After that he beaten me.
And just for that, you will hit him or what?
Sir, he started first.
Not me, sir.
Okay, let's do one thing. Just recreate here whatever happened on the road.
He only beaten me, sir.
Hey, didn't you hear what I said? Show it.
I just asked him what is the role, sir.
I also asked him the same.
What getup is this?
What role?
Hey, what
What
getup?
role?
Stop it. Mistakes are there on both your sides. I'll lock both of you guys up. Come on, move and stand. You and your bloody problems. Under what head can we kick them inside?
Hey, come here. Why are you laughing? If I hit you, you will be dead. Move this side.
Shall I burn his hair off?
Sir? Go inside.
I feel like giving him one tight rap
Sir?
now. Move and stand aside, man.
Our 2 friends have been arrested by you. That's why we came to meet them.
They are writing bail there. You go and sit there.
Okay. We will wait, sir.
You can go and sit.
Okay.
These fellows manhandled one boy, right? Just because he didn't want to file this case, I'm leaving them. Otherwise, these guys will be rotting in the jail forever. Stop everything with this itself. Study very well and go for a good job and become a responsible person in your family. Apart from that, if you try to be over smart, I'll bloody well break your head. Understand? Do you get me? One kick I'll give you, all your intestines will come out. Go. Get out, I said. I'm leaving you with this. Next time I shouldn't see you here.
Thank you.
That is okay, ma'am. When you encounter a problem, immediately coming to me with an advocate is not going to work out every single time. It is because of lack of discipline of you guys, these fellows end up standing in a police station like this. Police station and policemen are not just for advising these fellows. We are here to control them. They should understand their mistakes and try to change them. Or otherwise, we'll have to change them. That is the reason government has appointed us here, is it not? Hope everybody understood what I said. Okay, take them away.
I'm leaving.
Yeah, hello? Hey, you bloody fellows. Why didn't you stop the truck? Come on, tell me. You want me to behave harsh with you and make you say or what?
Hey, what are you talking?
Filthy bloody fellows. Understood?
Yes.
Just one tight rap. Now you understood, right?
What?
I'll just grab your legs and rotate you and just throw you away. Understood?
Hey, dude, what is he talking
You might have
about?
understood, right?
What happened?
Unnecessarily bloody fellows are making me angry.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Mom, wait there 1 second.
That's okay. At least you minded us now.
He beaten a lot. For them also they got same. That's why we didn't see you.
And one more thing. Give him a nice
It's
good
okay,
oil
bro.
bath. I've actually given him a good massage. He should know what pain is, right?
You leave.
Sir, these guys are more dangerous than them. That is why they didn't stop their truck.
You won't stop the truck, huh? Kill you, bloody fellow. Who's there? Ayush, who's there? Who are you? Hey, who are you? Tell me.
Kick his ass. Shh. Let's go.
Hey, why are you going to do that?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Who's calling, man?
It's our boy. Hello? What's the matter, dude? Go carefully, dude. Do you want to speak with Mrudu?
Tell them to go home carefully.
What? What? Silent? I will ask. Hey, is your phone in silent?
I think so. Yeah, it's in silent.
Oh.
I've got 18 missed calls from my mom. Rammi has also called me. Why did she call me at midnight?
What will be the matter?
My mom should be so mad at me. Should I call my mom first or Ramya first?
Call Ramya first. We can talk with mom tomorrow also. No one will come here. Call. She won't call me, but she called you. So don't hesitate to talk.
Hello? Why did you call me at the midnight?
Why did you hit Sumesh? You hit him by believing a 12-year-old girl?
What?
Or you hit him only because that bloody Jittu's sister told you all this?
What happened, bro?
That small girl who even attained the age, tell him he is loving
What happened?
He said he's not interested because she's a small girl. That's why she got angry. That's why she did all the plans and made it with you. You don't understand anything and hit him. Cut the phone.
Hello? 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 This is all because of that Jittu. Right now, where will Sumesh be?
He is in hospital now.
Nice. The problem is going in a very different
What
track,
happened?
dude. You hop on, I'll say. Alright, put that in the bag.
What is this, man? Turban or dhoti? This is very long.
Why is this big, man?
I said you that cap is enough, right?
Where's the key?
Here.
Where?
I don't have it, man.
All these are unwanted problems.
Hey, what happened? What she told? Hey, dude, tell me what she told.
Don't shout, I'll explain. God, you should only save me. Mom! What happened, Mom? Your back pain increased, huh? I'm asking you, Mom.
I don't know what I should do with
Don't
you.
hit me. Why did you hit me? Why did you hit me?
Very till this time. How many times should I call you? Yesterday that Johnson called. He said you have gone to station. Do you know who is this Johnson? He was like our family member. He was your father's best friend. He was like my own brother to me. I told him that you are going in a wrong way nowadays. Do you know what he said for that? He said he is my precursor. He will listen to what I say. Only because of the love he has for you. He didn't put you in that case, you know. He said he will come here to talk to you openly. After that, I read in the newspaper that he was beaten by some unknown and he is admitted in the hospital. Why are you like this?
Mom.
No! Don't you dare touch me again! Don't you ever touch me!
Mom.
No! No, go! Yesterday I went to visit him. Do you know what his daughter told me then?
Auntie, somebody hit my daddy. I can't bear it, Auntie. If something bad happens to my dad, I will also don't leave, Auntie.
You should not say things like this, dear.
Hey, sweetheart, just go and stand outside. In whatever attire he comes, I will recognize him. Not just because I'm a police officer. He's my friend's son. I'll give you 2 days' time, within which you try to sneak him out of my sight. I don't even want to see your shadow. I don't have any sentiments and no love. I'm going to stop everything here itself. After all, I am an average man, a father of a small daughter. There is no one more important for me than my daughter. I said, just get out from here.
Please forgive my son.
Just because of my friend Prakash, I am ready to forgive everything. Just get out from here. Go.
If possible, you kill me too.
You don't like me right now, is it, Mom? Look at my face and talk, Mom. Mom.
You see,
Mom, if you sit like this, your back pain will increase. Sit straight. Sit straight. Every time I go for a fight, I get some feeling, Mom. The feel when I get after winning it. After I experience that feel, I don't see anything else, Mom. Now, the mistake that I've made, I'm aware that I've made a big mistake. That sir named John, you told me he's the friend of my dad. I'll go touch his feet, Mom. I'll beg him. It's okay if he kills me also, Mom. I'll stop everything, Mom. Hereafter, I won't go to any problems. I will completely stop everything, Mom. I will definitely cause no problems hereafter. But why am I forced into this from my childhood? Mom, I'll be a good son hereafter, Mom. Right now I leave, Mom.
I will also come with you. You should not go alone anywhere.
Oh God, my savior, you spoke finally. Huh? Let me hear it again. Let me see you smile. You smiled finally. I saw it. Hereafter, I will definitely not go to any fights. Or else we'll go to our dad's place. Okay. Get up. Come. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Careful, careful. Careful, Mom. Careful, Mom. You're so heavy, Mom. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Careful, Mom. Now go and change your dress. Faster, Mom. Faster.
Hello, Mridu.
Hello.
Have you gone to Jitu's home?
No, man. I should have. I feel like seeing everyone tomorrow, man.
What's the matter, dude?
You do a thing. You get everyone to my house, alright?
No, dude. Actually...
You come, brother. I'll tell you.
Okay.
Alright. Forgive me, Dad.